hectares lang po yung may So, loob ng 4 hectares, we have 3 major walk-in attractions. So, first attraction po namin, yung mga animals po namin. So, bali meron po ng mga zebras, ostriches,
Pwede
horses,
sakyan. Pwede sakyan.
touching lang, sir.
Touching lang,
opo.
walang horseback.
Wala po horseback, sir. Ayan, so meron din kaming kinds of birds, tortoise, and many more. If we have new animals, meron po kaming alpaca and capybara. Capybara po, big bloated po siya. So,
Yung daga naman.
TK! Kuya TK, look at mommy.
Yes po, yung dalawa po na yun, magkatulog.
Tap tap, get one. Feed, go, feed the rabbit.
Ay, wala na yung time rabbit sa ikot ng side dito.
Are you happy? Peppy, you want bunny? Kuya Tiking, go there. Holly, feed the rabbit.
Touch. Halika. Pwede naman po. Pwede naman dalalangin ka. Napipalalangin ka. Bali, ano ma'am? Boy, tapos sa capybara. Ano tayo? Ah, sige, ito. Okay, punta tayo sa rabbit. Sige, sige, sige. You just own the food, ah? Oh, yeah. I-snatch niyo yung food pag hindi natin yung hold tight. No more na.
Ayun, share with kuya.
Masarap ako yung bago, sir. Bale, bakit kasi sa tao.
There are only one?
No more na. Sorry.
I hear only one. It's so big! It's so big!
What's that?
It's a stinger!
Doon sa tabi.
Saan? Baka mapayan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Huwag kami baby. Gigib kita ng food.
Go to Kuya Benedict. Ayun yung favorite food niya. Go Kuya TK, here.
Sa other side, pwede po ba?
Holly, where's your food?
Oh, here. Up.
No, here, Bia. Holly, where are you? Feed the
Sige po dun
turtle.
ma'am, para medyo malilim po. Yan po. Or,
Ay, sige.
Mia, sama mo sa tepe.
Kaso nag-sleeping ata siya. Oo, papalabasin mo na.
Sleeping?
Sleeping pa siya. Wait lang. Okay, gisingin natin. You want more?
Kuya TK, look at mommy. Here. How about that one? There. Try it out. Try. There. It's okay. Slowly, baby. There. Wow. More. Closer.
Benedict. Let us go. Very good. Okay.
Good job.
Papa tayo, come on. Here.
Luto kuya. Kuya Tiki, here. Holly, wake up the turtle.
Doesn't want to eat.
See, it's here. Oh, there, oh. We have more tortoise, oh. I think tortoise, baby. Here, there, here. Go to the tortoise. Sir.
Kuya, come here. Holly.
Yeah, this Aldabra tortoise. Dapat
Hey, poo-poo. You know that, TK? Holly, TK, you know that?
Yeah, and lifespan of that is almost 200 years.
Oh my goodness.
And age nila ngayon nasa around 40 to 45 years old.
Is there a dog?
No, not. The Galapagos is a first largest in the world. But this one is the second largest. Wow!
Wow, good job.
Yay! You want more? Yes? Oh, go, you feed this one. The
The
other
other
one.
turtle.
Yes, a lot of lettuce.
Actually, pwede mo din i-touch yung shell. Ayaw mo like this.
Go, come here, baby. Holly, look.
Very friendly.
Okay, sure.
Weird. It feels so weird.
Is it rough?
Yeah.
It's like a rubber.
Wow. This one is regulated
Look,
by
a
Egypt.
squid.
Go, you feed this
Ah,
one.
from Egypt?
A squid.
Aldabra Island na. Wala lang nag-exist na yung first largest lake called Galapagos. Ang Pilipinas na lang yung meron sa atin.
40.
Pinabata ko si Bill kung nasa unahan. 40 years old po.
Oh.
More? Okay.
Hindi na, kuya, okay na yan.
Sige na, okay lang po. Siya maganda po yung lagyan. Dito no. May mga ibang bata nga po. No? Madali magsawa.
Is there more turtles in
No more turtle.
Is there more turtles in
No more na po. Yeah.
There's a poop, there's a poop.
Last sila sila sa parrot. Ibig sabihin kasi ng parrot, sila yung mga nagkakayang magsalita.
Also that one, the black one is a parrot.
Yes ma'am, pero kakato po may 2,000. Black one. Ito yung part nila. Blue gold. Okay, dito muna po tayo. Pupo muna tayo. Dapat isa nyo.
Ganyan din yan.
Here, bago sa touch mo na nila.
Holly, touch it.
Baby, baby. You want
Kay
touch?
Kuya TK, kay Kuya po. Kay Kuya.
Come on, here.
Kay TK.
Touch the bird first.
Mia, touch me.
This one they called umbrella kakato. Ano ba rin?
What's that, TK? Okay. Holly, Holly.
Do you know, palom?
No.
Like chicken, like
Holly, Holly. Holly.
Baby.
Ito lang sa salita ba? Hello.
Say hello.
About your shoulder. Your shoulder, your shoulder.
Look at Kuya TK. Look at TK.
Then next. It's okay. Yan. You want to try like that?
Smile, close your eyes.
Don't take a leaf.
How
Open,
about the small
smile.
bird? You want to try the small bird?
Yeah, like that.
Very good.
Wow.
Hindi siya gumagano.
Holly, are you okay, Holly?
Oh, gusto niya ba? Gusto pala ni baby, oh.
Ay, si Holly. And kayong tatlo.
Can I have a bird?
Ako lang nawala.
Can I have a bird?
Yeah.
Honey, look at the bird.
Okay, look at the camera. Okay.
Ready?
Baby. It's okay. Mukha yung mata ko.
Tahimik ka. Okay.
Wow. Are you okay, Holly? You're not moving.
Okay, more bird in your head.
Okay.
In your head.
Very good, Holly
Okay,
Daddy.
one more.
Oh.
Pwede, ma'am.
Okay, one. Lalo, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay. That's TK.
May ego? Ego ba yan? That's giant.
Dala mo ka na doon.
Per-
Nabasa ko yung ano.
Pero ano, hindi...
The difference daw. The difference the alpaca and the llama competition. Look, ma'am, meron ng mga babies.
Oh.
Color white, ma'am. 2 months old. Then the brown one. Actually, na-impante namin yan. Ilan taon na siya?
2.
Then touch this one.
Holly, where are you?
Oh, wait, do you want? You want touch the zebra? Oo daw.
Go.
Assist mo. Yeah, later. Touch muna tayo, tsaka naman. Picture. It's okay. Group picture po muna. 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1. Baba mo, Mel, yung pagkain. 1, 2. Eh, sige lang, wait lang. Alin natin yung zebra. Yung ano, yung yan, yung feeds. Okay, ready? 3, 2. Baki! Okay. Okay. Video ko po kayo, tapos feed naman po kayo.
Okay, sige.
Pakihawakan nyo lang po ng maigi yung pagkain. Pakihawakan nyo, ma'am. Oh, yan. Opo, limit lang kasi yung food natin. So, please hold tight, okay? Yeah, go. Try.
Can you feed the ostrich?
No, not allowed. Mamaya, hawakan mo lang.
Girl or boy?
Girl po. How about you, baby? You want to touch the zebra? Ito, ma'am. Only this one, ma'am. Go, you try. Go, try. Picture kayo, ma'am. Okay, picture po. Kay sir, sama po kayo, sir. Nasa mga lipa isa pa. Ready? Baba.
Alis na to, sombrero na pala katapat mo.
Kung matutunan yan, sa akin, syempre. Say hi!
That kind of sheep is knitting.
Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig yun eh.
Name is Tiny. Oh, how about you? You first.
Why is he big but his name is tiny?
Sit kayo, ma'am. Family picture kayo, sir.
He's a
Picture
giant.
kayo niyo, ma'am. Come on.
Daddy, can I touch it?
Yes, oh. Sit first.
Opo, mabait ka, sir. Sige po.
Ano po, sir? Experience ko, sir.
Yan. Shoulder niyo po.
Bigat niyan.
Okay, medyo
Hawakan niyo, ma'am.
mabigat-bigat.
Oh, thank you.
Ayun na, sir. Ayun na.
Look at the camera.
Yan, sige, sir. Kay sir na lang.
Yeah.
Okay. Kuya Jur. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Huwag yun lang sa kalin, sir.
Okay.
Dito sila. Meron naman. Oh.
Kay sir. Solo picture, picture.
Solo picture, sir. Solo picture, sir.
Solo picture, sir. Yeah, solo, sir.
Dalawa kayo.
Ayan o. Okay.
Oh, come on.
Sa shoulder.
Tatay mo.
Grabe si kuya mo. Di nagpapatalo ah. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Yan o. Bakbakan na yan. Ah. Okay, next.
Okay. Ayun na. Sa shoulder niyo, ma'am. Go, tayo niyo lang, ma'am. Explain niya. It's okay.
Kaso medyo mabigat. Kaya ba ni ma'am?
Ayoko nang bigyan problema sa sarili ko.
Okay na?
Walang. Tara na. Donut.
Huwag ka naman tumingin siwa.
Oh, you want mami, oh.
May bayan.
Go with mami, go with mami, go with mami. Pwede rin sa iyo, ano, yung maliit.
Ayun maliit, ayun na. Yes. Okay. Kuya, okay lang.
Why can we see?
Oh, touch mo yung small snake, baby. Si kuya, about you.
Ria, you
Jay,
want?
the small bird, small bird ko na.
That's them.
Ah, sorry, di na. Pero mabuta ko yung mga bata, pare. Okay ka na?
Ay, wait lang. Picture ko.
Can we buy it? Why you picture one like that?
Where's the duck?
Here.
Yeah.
Bili tayo? Do you have a let's do parang hawk, yung sabi mo, yung parang hawk. Sabi mo, tama ko. Hawk yun, di ba? Sabi mo.
Ask Kuya. Where's the hawk?
Do you have a hawk? Do you have a hawk?
Up? Oh, bird.
Picture.
This one. Go, touch. Yan yung malaki pangalan ng Bokjoy. Ay, dek.
Yun yung peacock.
Peacock! Mamma mia! Mamma mia!
How about you?
did you picture me with everything?
No, you keep on moving.
Mike, did you picture me with the capybara?
Oh, first time mo nawakan din yun ah. Oh, nagkakot pa yung baby. What is this? Oh, wag ka lalapit dyan.
Where?
Opo, yun na po yung delikado, ma'am. Yung black na yun.
Ano ba ginagawa na?
Nanuno ka, ma'am, tsaka nanabang po.
Ooh.
Yun na po yung
TK,
bawal
no,
na po.
don't.
Ay, Bia, sige, tukayin ka niya.
Si kuya nga, afraid din eh.
Talaga yung nanuno ka. Ayun po.
Ah.
What's that bird?
This one? It's a pigeon, family of pigeon. They call it convict pigeon. Then this one is one hen.
Kalapati yun, ma'am. Pero ang itsura ng kalapati sa ibang bansa.
Social.
Medyo malaki. Takot din yan, kuya.
TK,
Yeah, guys. It's okay.
TK.
No.
Ay, baka mag-slide si Ate Bia.
Via, go Via, slide. Go slide. Go slide, okay.
Dito,
Okay, I'm waiting. Go tap. Faster. Ate's turn. Whee!
Bye-bye. Hurry.
Where's Ollie?
Hurry.
Going down?
Slide. Gonna slide. Wait. Go super fast. Three, two, one, go.
I'm following. Wee-hee! Where is Holly? Where is Holly? Here, color green. One, two, three, slide! Yay! Say hi to Daddy! Hi to Lala! Via! Via! Okay, go up!
Oh no.
Why?
I just
Oh, you need to wait. You need to wait.
look.
You want there?
Yeah.
Go. Capybara. Tap. Come here. Slowly. Go. Where's Holly? Red slide. Woohoo!
Hi. Hello, Puppy. Hi, Mommy.
Whee!
Holly. Holly, look, I'm riding.
She doesn't care.
Can we go back?
What animal is that?
Can we go
Via.
back to the horse?
No, that's a seahorse.
Not so loud now.
Yeah, we're done. Just enjoy, no fighting. Go, slide, run.
Yeah.
Yeah? Go with Kuya. Kuya, you want here?
I'm gonna remove my shoes.
Follow Holly, please.
Socks.
Follow Holly.
Mommy, I want to.
1, 2, 3. Wow! Are you happy? Sit down. Oh, wow. You're... Slide. Go. Wow, very good. Tap, tap. Okay. Okay. Via, slide here. You want there? Okay. Where? Go. Pocket, pocket. Where's Holly? Whee! Where's Holly? Here, not there. Cross arms. Cross arms. I said cross arms, Holly, like this. Like this. No.
Wait lang. Go.
Tap, tap, here.
Look, oh. Isang na.
Oh, that's a monkey. No pushing.
Pinupush na ako ni Bioy. That is slide.
No pushing.
Ay, cute. Let's go.
I can see the monkey there, TK.
Monkey. I know there's a baboon.
Baboon pala. Oh no.
I
Oh
ate.
no.
Go. Go. Yeah. Right. Get me.
Okay, let's go.
Sit down first. No slide. Sit down first.
Ready, get set, go. Go, Via. Let's go. Go, go, go. Via, let's go. Via, sit down. Down dito. Hi! Happy birthday, Lolo!
Isa pa. Isa pa. Isa pa. Isa pa. Okay. Nung pagka may kailangan kayo po nga naman, nandito naman po kasi.
Okay. Thank you. Ay, let's. Sige. Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday, Lolo. Let's eat. Let's eat.
Squid head. Okay, squid head.
Squid
Head.
head? This is a squid head.
Ito pa rice, oh. Hindi na dalaw. Wait lang. Lagyan mo na.
Wait, medyo nabasa.
It's okay.
Gosh, he was fast. No, hindi yan. Ayaw mo tubig ka.
Where's Tap Tap? Uwing-uwing.
Dito kami nagpa-picture eh.
What's that?
May mountain doon.
Really?
Oo.
Oh, I didn't see.
You know?
Oh, Taal Volcano. Dapat pala dito ta.
I shouted something.
Go, shout.
Taan! Hala!
Ito pala yung
May
view.
tao dyan!
Picture yun.
Ha?
Picture mo sa lasan.
Opo daw.
Si Lola excited na umuwi.
Okay,